hot. Why you burn yourself? Why you burn? You do this every time. This is Cookin' in Brooklyn with Danny Milano, and I'm Danny Milano. And today, we're making a dish called spaghetti Olio. Don't forget, like and subscribe to the Bridgeside Network, and make sure you check our new Instagram and Facebook page, Cookin' in Brooklyn. This dish don't cost much. It's also referred to as the poor man dish, which is perfect for Dave. He's wore the same shirt for the last 15 episodes.
Ain't got no money, ain't got no job.
Hey, go Bridgeside.
We don't have many ingredients for this dish, but we do have some. We have some spaghetti, some red crushed pepper, some salt, garlic cloves, fresh parsley, olive oil, and fresh pepper. The water's at a boil. I'm gonna grab my salt, and we're gonna add that right in. All right, so let's grab our spaghetti, and let's throw that right into the water. All right, so I'm gonna let the pasta cook for about 9 minutes. I like it al dente. If you like it a little more well done, cook it for 12. And we're gonna hold off on sauteing our garlic and oil until right before the pasta's ready. We got about 2 or 3 minutes left, so now I'm gonna start sauteing our garlic and oil. I'm gonna grab our olive oil. Gonna let that olive oil heat up.
Are you gonna leave the garlic like that, or are you gonna cut it up a little bit?
Well, I was gonna leave it whole, but I'm gonna cut this up a little. I'm not gonna dice it up, that's optional. I mean, if you like it chopped fine, you can do that too, but I like mine whole. I like to eat around the garlic.
I like to eat the garlic, so,
All right, so we're
cut
gonna
them up.
We're gonna cut it up for you.
I'd say give it another cut, no?
No. All right, so the oil's hot, and we're gonna throw our garlic in.
Just in a few pieces.
David wants all the garlic.
It's good for the heart.
It is. Then we're gonna grab a little bit of parsley. I'm gonna throw that in too. And we're gonna grab our crushed pepper, and we're gonna throw that in too. And we're gonna give it a nice little mix.
I know I say this all the time, but only if you guys could smell this right now.
And basically, you just wanna brown the garlic. As you can see, it's already browning. You only need maybe another 45 seconds here. That's how simple it is.
This is great too. You know, you could add anything in there, any vegetable, zucchini, broccoli, anything, you know, to
Even
add it up.
shrimp. Shrimp's
Shrimp
nice in
too.
there too. A little shrimp and broccoli.
Little shrimp, nice.
This is ready. I'm gonna shut off flame. The pasta is ready. Before I strain it, I'm gonna take a little bit of the pasta water, because we're gonna add this in later. Me and my friend over here, the pasta strainer. We meet again. So we're gonna put this on. I think I got it this time. Nah, of course not. Of course not. All right, now I got it. I'm gonna strain our pasta. Let's move this over here for now. Grab our pasta, bring it closer so you can get a better look. And we're gonna grab our garlic and oil, and we're gonna add it right into the pot of pasta. Then we're gonna add just a little bit of our pasta water. We're gonna turn our flame back on, and we're just gonna mix it all around. Gonna add some parsley and a little bit of fresh pepper. Give it one more mix and shut that flame. 1, 2, 3, we got it. It's time to serve. We got a Dave serving for you here. Nice big bowl.
Nice.
And for a little garnishing, we're gonna add some more parsley and a little more red pepper. Nothing like a big bowl of spaghetti Olio. This looks too good to pass up, but I know my role. And buon appetito.
Thank you. You know your job, I know my job, which is the best job.
I didn't forget your cheese, because I know, God forbid, you have a bowl of pasta without cheese. Just let me know when.
Keep going, keep going. Perfect. Perfect. This dish is delicious.
It smells great.
Definitely brings me back when I was a kid. You know, I was very picky. I was a very picky eater, believe it or not. And I didn't like.
It's hard to believe.
I didn't like most things, so I never liked pasta with tomato sauce, so my mom always made this for me.
Dave, you got something on your head though.
What is it?
You got a piece of parsley and a piece of crushed red pepper stuck to your head.
I'm saving it for later. All right, I'm gonna finish this up. Why don't we wrap this thing up already?
So that's a wrap from Dave. Remember, if you want something quick, cheap, and delicious, take Dave's phone number down. But all kidding aside, if you're on a budget, you want that cheap date, you don't have too much cash in the pockets, forget about the ramen noodles. You cannot go wrong with spaghetti Aglio.
Go Bridgeside.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to the Bridgeside Network, and make sure you check out our new Instagram and Facebook. And while you're at it, check out Hardcore Italians. Great merch, great memes, and great content.